तुलसी तुलसी सब कहे, तुलसी बन की घास, हो गई कृपा राम की तो बन गए तुलसीदास. Meaning, Tulsi says everybody is just a jungle grass. It is only with God's grace that I, Tulsidas, became God's servant. तुलसी मीठे बचन से सुख उपजत चारों ओर, वशीकरण एक मंत्र है, परिहरू बचन कठोर. Meaning, pleasant words invoke happiness all around. Giving up harsh words is the mantra of power. बिना तेज के पुरुष की अवश्य अवज्ञा होए, आग बुझी जो राख की, आप छुए सब कोय. Meaning, without valor a man is certainly ignored, like fire after loss of flame is touched as ash by all. तुलसी साथी विपत्ति के विद्या विनय विवेक, साहस सुकृति सुसत्य व्रत राम भरोसे एक. Meaning, Tulsi says companion in trouble are knowledge, humility and wisdom. Good name comes easy by trusting God. काम क्रोध मद लोभ की जो लौ मन में खान, तो लौ पंडित मूर्ख हो तुलसी एक समान. Meaning, as long as one has minds of desire, anger, arrogance and greed in heart, knowledgeable and fools are equal, says Tulsidas. राम नाम मणिदीप धरु जीह देहरी द्वार, तुलसी भीतर बाहरो जो चाहसी उजियार. Meaning, when the light of Ram's name is placed on whichever door and doorstep, inside and outside of that heart and world around it, both are lighted. तुलसी जौ पै राम सो नाहिन सहज सनेह, मूंड मुड़ायो बादिही, भांड भयो तजिगेह. Meaning, Tulsidas says that if one does not have natural love for Sri Ramchandraji, then shaving the head, becoming a saint, renouncing the household, and pretending to be detached is all in vain. It is nothing more than an act of hypocrisy. तुलसी परिहरि हरिहर ही, पांवर पूजहि भूत, अंत फजीहत हो हिंगे, गणिका के से पूत. Meaning, Tulsidas says that those wretched people who abandon Sri Hari, Lord Vishnu, and Sri Shankarji, and instead worship spirits and ghosts, will ultimately face great misfortune, just like the sons of a prostitute. राम नाम रति राम गति, राम नाम विश्वास, सुमिरत शुभ मंगल कुशल, दुहु दिसी तुलसीदास. Meaning, when the light of Ram name is placed on whichever door and doorstep, inside and outside of that heart and world around it, both are lighted. सीता लखन समेत प्रभु, सोहत तुलसीदास, हर्षत सुर बर्षत सुमन, सगुन सुमंगल बास. Meaning, Tulsidas says that Lord Sri Ramchandraji, adorned with Sita and Lakshman, is radiating divine beauty. The gods, filled with joy, are showering flowers. This divine vision of the Lord in his manifested form, Saguna Dhyana, is the abode of supreme auspiciousness and ultimate well-being. तुलसी हठी हठी कहत नित, चित सुनि हित करिमानी, लाभ राम सुमिरण बड़ी बड़ी बिसारे हानि. Meaning, Tulsidas constantly and with great insistence says, O mind, listen to my words and consider them beneficial. Remembering Ram is the greatest gain and forgetting him is the greatest loss. काल करम गुण दोष जग, जीव तिहारे हाथ, तुलसी रघुबर रावरो जानु जानकी नाथ. Meaning, Tulsidas says, O Lord Raghunath, time, actions, qualities, defects, the world, and all living beings are all under your control. O Lord of Janki, please accept this Tulsidas as your own, considering him as such. जथा भूमि सब बीजमय नखत निवास आकाश, राम नाम सब धर्ममय जानत तुलसीदास. Meaning, just as the entire earth is filled with seeds and the entire sky is the abode of stars, similarly, the name of Ram is the essence of all religions. Tulsidas understands this secret. बालक कोसल पाल के सेवक पाल कृपाल, तुलसी मनमानस बसत, मंगल मंजू मराल. Meaning, the Lord of Kosla, King Dashrath's son, Sri Ram, is the protector of his devotees and is very compassionate. He resides in the mind of Tulsidas. like a beautiful swan in the lake of the mind, which is filled with goodness. चित्रकूट सब दिन बसत प्रभु सिय लखन समेत राम नाम जप जाप कही तुलसी अभिमत देत. Meaning, Lord Shri Ram, along with Sita and Lakshman, always resides in Chitrakoot. तुलसीदास कहते हैं कि वही प्रदान करता है जो लोग राम का नाम जपते हैं. ना तो नाते राम के राम सनेहम सनेहु तुलसी मांग तजोरी कर जन्म जन्म शिव देहु. Meaning, Tulsidas, with folded hands, prays for the boon. O Lord Shiva, grant me this in all my births, that my connection with anyone be through Shri Ram, and that my love for others be only because of my love for Shri Ram. तुलसी प्रीति प्रतीति सो राम नाम जप जाग के होए विधि दाहिनो देई अभागे हे भाग. Meaning, Tulsidas ji says that by performing the yajna of chanting the name of Ram with love and faith, the Creator becomes favorable and transforms even an unfortunate person into a highly fortunate one. तुलसी सुखी जो राम सो दुखी सो निज कर तूती करम बचन मन ठीक जेहि तेहि न सकई कली धूती. Meaning, Tulsidas says that a person who believes that Sri Ram is the source of all his happiness and that his own prideful actions are the cause of his sorrow, and whose actions, words and mind are righteous, cannot be deceived by the dark age of Kalyug. बिगड़ी जन्म अनेक को सुधरे अबहि आजू हो ही राम को नाम जपू तुलसी तजी कुसमाजू. Meaning, Tulsidas says, abandon bad company and all the negative thoughts of your mind and become devoted to Ram and chant his name. By doing so, the distorted state of your many past lives can be corrected.